kucing. Cat. Cats are one of the most popular types of pets. The reason, apart from being a large number so easy to find, the cat has a unique cuteness. Practically, by keeping a cat, your days will be much more fun because there is entertainment at home. Harimau. Tiger. The tiger is the largest animal in the cat family. Tigers can be up to 3.3 meters long and weigh up to 300 kilograms. The subspecies of tigers include the Sumatran tiger, Siberian tiger, Bengal tiger, South China tiger, Indochina tiger, and many more. Macan tutul. Leopard. The leopard, or in its scientific name Panthera pardus, is one of the four noble cats. This animal is also known as the clouded tiger because of its climbing ability. At first, people thought that the leopard was a hybrid of a lion and a tiger, hence the name, leopard, among early European researchers. Singa. Lion. The lion is a species of animal from the Felidae family or the cat family. Lions are in the African continent and partly in the territory of India. Lions are animals that live in groups. Usually consists of a male and many females. This group guards their territory.